Hello, my most amazing artists. Miss Pelavan here to teach you how to make a Jasper Johns inspired name design. So you're going to be creating some spaces to write the letters of your name. So first we need to fold our paper. So I'm going to fold this paper into 16 squares. So here we go. I'm going to fold the bottom up to the top, making a crease. Then I'm going to take the bottom of that and fold that up to the top, making a crease. So now when I unfold my paper, I should have 4 long rectangles. Oh, there's 2. Open it up again. Let's see if I did it right. I should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Now I'm going to fold the opposite direction, so I'm going to turn my paper so it's wide, because that's easier for me to fold. And I'm going to take the bottom and fold the top. You will notice that my paper is a little bit tricky to fold because of those other fold lines, but I'm still going to be persistent. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to fold my paper, and I'm going to be bigger than my paper because I am stronger than that paper for sure. So I just folded the bottom up to the top one time, and then again for time number 2. And press it down really good, and now I'm going to unfold it. Now I have, let's count how many rectangles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8, but I need 16. Let's see if I made 16 if I unfold it again. Oh, let's see. I think it looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 boxes. So now I'm going to turn my paper back so it's tall. And I'm going to write the letters of my name inside the box. 1 letter in each box, and each letter needs to be a different color. I'm going to use the oil pastels to make my letters, and I want my letters to be nice and big and bold inside those rectangles. So watch how I do it. Here we go. I'm going to start with my first letter. The first letter of my name is L, so I'm going to make a nice, big, thick, capital L, just like that. Making sure that I stay inside that rectangle. Now my next letter is E, so I'm going to get a different color, and I'm going to make a letter E inside the next rectangle space. E. Next I'm going to write the letter I, because the next letter in my name is the letter I. Nice and big, using a different color, keeping it inside that next rectangle space. The next letter in my name is a G, so I'm going to pick a different color and I'm going to put G. I'm going to make it nice and thick. I don't want to make just a single line. I'm making a big, thick line for my letters so they stand out really well. Now, I still have 2 more letters in my name because my name is spelled L-E-I-G-H-A. But I ran out of spaces over here. So just like when you're reading in a book and you're going across and you run out of space, you're going to go down to the next line. And I'm going to continue the next letter of my name, which is H. So I'm going to pick a different color that I haven't used yet, and I'm going to write the letter H. Nice and big inside that space. Alright, the last letter in my name is the letter A, so I'm going to pick a different color and use a letter A. This is a different kind of blue than this blue up here, so I can use it again. There's my letter A. Nice and big, nice thick lines. Now, I have lots of other spaces here. So what I can do is do my last name, because Leah is my first name, and my last name is Pelavan, so I could write the last name Pelavan. So I'm going to do that. Let's see, I'm going to do some black here. P. Let's see, I didn't use yellow yet. E. Notice I didn't repeat any colors yet. H, going down into the next row because I ran out of space next to my E, and I have more letters in my name. L, P-E-H-L. I is next. Let's see, which color did I not use? This is a different kind of yellow, so I'm going to use this one. V. See, I think I used almost all my colors. Oh wait, I have a light green. V. Nice and thick. And then A. Oh, I have a third kind of blue. It's a good thing I'm looking closely. It's taking some time for me to pick my colors because I don't want to repeat any colors yet. I can only repeat colors if I used all of the colors, and I think that's the last one because this purple is the same as this one. So now I can start over, and I need a color for my letter N. Oh wait, I found another color, white. White is kind of hard to see when you color it on your paper, so you have to be very, 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 very close attention so that you can see it. So, first name Leah, L-E-I-G-H-A, last name Pehlivan, P-E-H-L-I-V-A-N. Uh-oh, I have 2 more spaces. I could do some numbers. I could do some other letters. I could do a shape in each one, or I could do some punctuation, like a question mark or an exclamation point, or things like that. So maybe for this one, I could do a number 1. And I like to make a fancy number 1 with a top curve or a top triangle and a flat bottom. And then a number 2 right there. Or maybe if I have a really lucky number, I could use that lucky number. So I just made on my paper, in the 16 boxes that I had, my first name, my last name, and some numbers or letters or a shape in each one, or you can do some punctuation. With this paper, we're going to be painting some watercolor paint on top of the letters to use an opposite color from the one that I used. So I will show you another video on how to do that next time.